Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. I'm David Richard, and today we have something special for you. We're diving deep into the world of diagnostics with the Foxwell NT726 OBD2 scanner. If you're a car enthusiast or a DIY mechanic, this is a tool you won't want to miss. Let's get started. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's quickly introduce the Foxwell NT726. This OBD2 scanner is designed to provide comprehensive diagnostics for your vehicle, helping you identify and troubleshoot issues with precision. It's compatible with a wide range of car models and offers an array of features to make your automotive maintenance a breeze. Features and benefits. Here are just a few of the things the Foxwell NT726 can do. Read and clear engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag codes. View live data streams of sensor readings, such as engine temperature, oxygen, sensor voltage, and fuel trim. Perform special functions such as oil reset, EPB reset, SAS calibration, and throttle body adaptation. Support all 10 OBD2 test modes, including I or M readiness, onboard monitor test, and freeze frame data. Free lifetime updates to ensure you always have the latest software and vehicle coverage. Large 5.5-inch touchscreen display for easy viewing. Durable and rugged construction for years of use. Navigating through the menus is intuitive, and the user interface is user-friendly, even for beginners. You can quickly access information about your vehicle's engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags, among other systems. Let's put this scanner to the test. I've got a car right here, and we're going to see how the Foxwell NT726 performs in real-time diagnostics. As you can see, the scanner provides real-time data on various parameters like RPM, coolant temperature, and more. It's like having a virtual dashboard right at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. The Foxwell NT726 goes beyond basic diagnostics. It comes packed with special functions like mention-specific functions, for example, oil reset, EPB, service, etc. These features can save you a trip to the dealership and help you perform advanced maintenance tasks on your own. One of the standout features of the NT726 is its data logging capability. You can record and playback live data streams, which is incredibly useful for diagnosing intermittent issues. Plus, Foxwell provides regular updates, ensuring that your scanner stays up-to-date with the latest vehicle model. Here are some pros and cons about the Foxwell NT726. Pros: powerful features, easy to use, durable and rugged, free lifetime updates, value for money, wide vehicle compatibility. Cons: learning curve for advanced features. While the basic functions are easy to use, some of the more advanced features may require some learning. In conclusion, the 2023 Foxwell NT726 OBD2 scanner is a powerful tool for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive diagnostics, special functions, and regular updates make it a standout choice in the world of OBD2 scanners. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the Foxwell NT726 has got you covered. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've used the Foxwell NT726 yourself. Until next time, happy wrenching!